In one of our recent videos, we discussed Windows email testing in Telnet, but of course we couldn't leave you hanging and not cover Linux. Although a lot of people say email functionality holds Linux back, watch me prove them wrong with some email testing via Telnet. Hello and welcome to Mailtrap videos where we explore the world of emails. If you've seen our previous Telnet videos, you know that this protocol doesn't support SSL and TLS encryption. However, remember that we managed to safely and efficiently test email sending functionality with Telnet on Windows by using a fake SMTP server. This way, our credentials stayed safe and sound. Today, we'll do the same in Linux. As a bonus, we'll also send some attachments on top of HTML emails. Alright, let's start by opening the Linux terminal and typing sudo apt install telnet, which will install Telnet on our Linux. Then you should get a message informing you the installation is complete. However, let's make sure that the connection is working properly by starting a session on port 2525 like so. And ta-da, Houston, we have a connection. That was easy, wasn't it? Now that we have Telnet installed, let's send a test email to a fake SMTP server provided by Mailtrap Email Testing, a tool with which you can inspect and debug emails in staging, dev, and QA environments before sending them out to your recipients. Now let's create a free Mailtrap account, which will give us access to the platform's features, and most importantly, credentials for your fake SMTP server. The process is a walk in the park. You don't even need to register and verify a domain to start testing. But please note that you'll need a verified domain to send emails to your recipients. So head on over to mailtrap.io and, just like in the Windows Telnet video, follow the intuitive prompts. It's a no-brainer really. With your account all set up, click on Email Testing and then My Inbox. Under the code samples in the Integration tab, you'll find your credentials waiting for you there, including the fake SMTP hostname and the base64 encoded account name and password. Now, as promised, let's send a test email in Telnet. Open the Linux terminal, run the command telnet, and use your fake SMTP hostname from Mailtrap, along with the port number 2525. The connection should be successful, and you'll see a message starting with code 220, letting you know that the server is ready. Next, introduce yourself to the SMTP host by running the ehlo command with the example.com as a placeholder. Then start the login process with the auth login, for which we'll use base64 encoded username and password. After we get the OK message, we need to specify the sender with the mail from and the recipient with rcipt2 commands. And since this is a test, we'll use example.com as a domain. Then in the data section, we need to specify a multi-part / alternative content type, which allows us to send an email in both plain text and HTML. Lastly, end with a dot and hit enter. Over here, for other Telnet videos and 100% binge-worthy email content, subscribe to our channel. Simply click on the subscribe button and don't forget to turn on your notifications. Lastly, let's check our Mailtrap email testing inbox for our message we sent via Telnet. Yep, there's the HTML version, and here it is in plain text. Next, let's send a test email with attachments to multiple recipients. Like we did previously, open the Linux terminal, initiate the Telnet connection, identify yourself, and begin the login process. Once again, identify yourself to the host, specify the sender and the recipient, add more recipients with rcipt2 command. Then, for data, we need to set the MIME version and specify the multi-part content type, which will allow us to send a plain text email with attachments. Here's the plain text part of our email, and here are the attachments. Finally, end with a dot, hit that enter button, and let's check the Mailtrap email testing inbox. And there it is, our plain text email with attachments waiting for us. And that's it, a step-by-step walkthrough on testing emails via Telnet on Linux, the safe way, using a fake SMTP server. Once you're done testing, it's time to send those emails. Don't worry though, we've got your back. Check out our video guides on how to send email from Linux using SMTP or RESTful API. See you in the next video.